So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna tell you how to shift gear, and we're gonna go from community speeds, so like 50 kilometers per hour, I don't know what that is in miles, probably like 20 miles or something, to highway speeds, so like 60 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour. And how you can transition from that, it's pretty much not any different. It's actually it's the same thing, just you're going higher speed. And I'm only taking you on the highway so I can see myself shifting all the way up and shifting all the way down. I usually like to keep my RPM around between 4,000 to 6,000. What gear you should be in will be different depending on what bike you have. Right now I'm at about 5,000 RPM and I'm on 5th gear, as you can see. And the speed limit here is 80, so I'm a little fast, but yeah, so at that's 5th gear. How you shift is from first, so my video will show you how to start the bike and get going. So let's just pretend you already know that. If not, watch my video. Go on to 1st gear and you're riding, and now you want to shift. For me, I generally shift at about 6,000, between 6,000 to 8,000, because I like to keep it at around 4,000 to 6,000 right between it, and I'll shift up. And how you do that is, oh wait, let me think about this. I usually don't think about it, so I have to make sure I'm telling you the right thing here. Let's see, let me shift up. Okay, so what I do is I let off the throttle, so like this. It's very, very little. I let off the throttle and you'll see the RPM dip. You pull the clutch in. After you let the throttle off. You kick up on the gear shifter to shift up, and then you give it gas, and then you let go of the clutch lever slowly to that friction zone that I talked about in the how to ride a motorcycle video. Now that's me explaining it. I'll show it to you. Downshifting is the same thing. Let go of the throttle, shift clutch in, shift down, kick the lever down with your left foot, and then let the throttle, or yeah, give it throttle, give it some gas, and then let the clutch out. So it's the same thing, just whether you kick up or down or shifting. So. So that's how you shift. When the light here turns green, I will be going from 1st gear to 2nd gear to 3rd gear, and I think 4th gear. Here we go. We're in 1st gear. I let off the throttle. This is kind of weird for me to try to do it slow, but I hope you guys saw what I just did there. Same thing, let off the throttle to downshift. Holy, this is a lot difficult to teach than I thought it would be. The thing is, I have to do it so fast that I can't slow it down for you guys. But what you want to do is rev match. When you let go of the throttle and pull the clutch in and shift down or up, and then you give it gas again before you let the clutch out to engage the gear. The reason why you rev up is so that you rev match. You want to match the revolutions so that the clutch doesn't go kung kung or something like that. Sometimes you can stall it too if you don't rev match it. Usually anything past 2nd gear, you can pretty much just let go of the clutch and it'll engage, but in the 1st gear, which is pretty choppy, you have to be pretty gentle with it. So 2nd gear, I'm gonna do throttle off, clutch in, kick up, throttle again, and clutch out. Ready? I may not not even have to go onto the highway actually. This might be good enough. It'll be the same thing. I'll just do it right now. I'll go into 6th gear. Yeah. And then I can downshift. Throttle off, clutch in, kick down, give it gas, and then clutch out. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna avoid the highway, or maybe, yeah, I'm gonna avoid the highway. I don't think you guys need to see it. It's the same thing, just on faster speed. I'm really hoping that this video turns out well, because I want to help you guys understand this. It will come naturally once you practice just a little bit, maybe in the parking lot. Like as soon as you figure out how to go from 1st gear to 2nd gear and back down to 1st gear, you pretty much have to repeat that to go up to the 3rd gear, 4th, and so on, and back down.